DL3 MHT. Today I want to test the universal voltage monitor ICs that I got from AliExpress. I should have ordered from the big distributors like Mauser, but well, I'm cheap, and if you are cheap you have the risk that you get set fake ICs. And those ICs look suspiciously fake. I will show you in a close-up shot in a second. So the idea is apply 20 volts. If we see the smoke rise, they're probably fake chips. If we don't see any smoke rise, we might have a chance that these are genuine MC34161/MC33161 chips. Well, as you can see, the layout is pretty simple. I just put two, 8-pin sockets onto this test PCB. I didn't have 8-pin sockets, so I cut a 7-pin, 14-pin socket. Pin 4 is the ground. Pin 8 is the VCC. I even used colored wires for you. You know, ground is supposed to be blue or black, and VCC is red, of course. This goes to my variable power supply. And yeah, we will press the button, and either we will hear a bang, or we will see some smoke, or it will work. And why is 20 volt good enough? Let's flick over the data sheet, and let's see if we are properly focusing on it. Yes, like this. And as you can see, power supply input voltage is marked or rated up to 40 volt. So let's see what happens when we apply power and push the button. Well, that was fairly unspectacular. I'm applying 20.8 volt and it draws exactly 0.00 milliamps. So maybe it insta-died, or it's actually working. So first of all, check if we have power here, 20.72, and you know this voltage meter is not very accurate, so rough guidance. So do we also have it near the sockets? 20.72 we have, and pin 1 should be 2.54 volt. So let's have a look. Pin 1 and ground. Yeah, and we have nothing. I think this one is a dud. Is it hot? No, it's not hot. Yeah, okay. So we have 20 volt and nothing on the voltage reference output. Let me double check if the voltage reference is supposed to do anything when there's nothing connected to pin 7 mode select. VREF, yeah, VCC. From the data sheet it looks like, hang on a second, very bad video. And sorry for the brightness, I'll adjust it in a second. Here we go, focusing. As you could see, VCC on pin 8 should give us 2.54 on pin 1. And well, we have nothing. So we have 4 more chips to go. If they're all dud, then I have to order new chips from a reputable supplier. Okay, new chip, new luck. I'll try with 5 volt this time. Maybe I got some dud ones, but at least we can see if they are comparator ICs or not. So 4.9, 2 volt here, and at the reference output, oh, I actually got 2.5 2 volt at the reference output. So the question is, are those fake chips just not up to the supply voltage that are promised by onsemi, or are they completely different chips? But at least I got 2.5 volts now. So I think what we'll do now is I'll increase the voltage maybe to 10 volt and see if we are still getting, okay, as you can see it's 10 volts now, if we still get 2.5, yes, 2.53, that looks already promising. But in order for this to be a useful under-over voltage detection, it should really go up to 20 volts. So now let's try 15 and 14.96, 2.53. Okay, promising. All the way up to 20.8, 20.73, 2.53. Okay, so this one's working. The other one was dead. I guess I'll check the other 3 in the package. Maybe we got a dud one and hopefully 2 working ones to start the project. 20 volt input, 2.5 for something on the voltage reference pin. 20 volt input and 2.52 on the output. Maybe they are all different relabeled chips. It's a bit odd that this one has different reference voltage than the other ones. Okay, and chip number 1, 2, 3, 4. Chip number 5 next. Maximum voltage 20 volt. At least this is what my power supply can do. And we are at 2.53. Okay, so 4 chips that power have some output on the reference voltage pin, and 1 that does nothing. So let's put the dead one in once more, because I'm always making stupid mistakes. So let's check again if that one is really completely dead. 20 dot, I should not have the cable in the view, 20.73, and nope, that one is dead as a doorknob. Okay, so 1.1, 4 working one, though the reference voltage varies a bit. Not sure if it's the voltmeter or if it's the chips being some desoldered ones, reused ones, sanded, rebatched ones, who knows. So let's put the first 2 in. And put the second one in here. And give it a final sanity check. Ground is here. 20.73 on this chip, and the reference voltage 2.54 here, and 2.53 there. Okay, so we have a chance that this hobby project might actually work. Let me show you how it looks like. So unfortunately for you viewers, I did not get the smoke, but we have 1 dot out of 5 chips sent out of China. We still don't know if they are genuine chips, but at least we can apply 20 volt and get the reference voltage out. So let's see. Yeah, the voltage meter says you should switch it off. So let's see how this project progresses. We have a chance to make it happen now. Thanks for watching. Bye.